Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super simple and delicious recipe, barbecue chicken sliders using rotisserie chicken. As a former Division One track athlete, I know how challenging it can be to plan a quick and easy meals that can fit into a busy schedule. Whether you're a student athlete, a busy professional, or just looking for an easy weekend dinner, this recipe is perfect for you. So let's jump right into it. First up, we're breaking down the rotisserie chicken. I always recommend starting with this step because it saves so much time later when you're ready to make meals. Here's my hack. Instead of shredding the chicken directly onto a plate or container, I like to shred it into a reusable plastic bag. It's super convenient for storage and keeps everything fresh. Plus, when you're meal prepping, you can just grab the bag and portion out exactly what you want. I'm using a mix of both the white meat and dark meat because they each bring different textures and flavors to the sliders. Once the chicken is shredded, we're ready to move on to the next step. Here is a finished product of what you would get once you shredded all the chicken in the reusable bag. Like I said, you can portion this out for any type of meals that you want. An idea that I had was I did chicken tiki masala as my next meal, and I just put that in a pan with the sauce, warmed up some garlic naan, and moved on. Now, let's move on to preparing the sliders. First, I started by mixing the shredded rotisserie chicken in a bowl with my favorite barbecue sauce. This is the easiest way to coat all the chicken evenly with that sweet and tangy flavor. Here, you see me mixing everything into a bowl. Mix, mix, mix. Yeah, side note, sorry if I sound a little weird or like under the weather. I am coming over with a cold and I'm just trying to get rid of it, during that time, during this winter time where, everybody gets sick, but we're gonna get over it. Yeah, look at that mix, 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 mix. I was getting a little frustrated and a little bit like, doesn't seem like enough barbecue sauce. I'm heavy-handed. I like a lot of barbecue sauce. I like a lot of flavor, sauces, everything. And I didn't think I said what type of spices I use to season my chicken. I just use like some garlic powder, salt, pepper, um, maybe some like all-purpose seasoning that I used. Yep. Here I am, adding some more barbecue sauce because I want it to be fully coated before I start to incorporate it into the sliders and start making everything together. So here we are. For the bread, I'm using Hawaiian sweet rolls. They're soft, slightly sweet, and absolutely perfect for this recipe. And I'm using shredded cheese. You can use any toppings that you want, pickles, shredded cheese, whatever type of cheese you want. And I carefully slice the rolls through the middle, separating the tops from the bottoms, but keeping the rolls connected so they're easier to assemble. It took me a little second to, slice them in the middle. I had to do it off camera because it wasn't looking too perfect on camera, so that's why I just sped through. And it doesn't look the best, but it's gonna get eaten anyway. That's okay. Yep. So you see me up here spreading it out, spreading it out. I like a lot of cheese on my stuff. On my food. I like a lot of cheese. I don't know why. I suffer when I go to the bathroom. But it's okay though. So spread and spread. Next, I spread the barbecue chicken mix evenly onto the bottom half of the rolls. Um, you know, doing that right here, very fast, very efficient. Nah, I'm just playing. I just sped it up some. But I'm just here adding everything, assembling it all together. Yep. And then here I did a mixture of butter, garlic powder, salt. Yeah. Once everything was assembled, I placed, aluminum foil on top and I placed it in the oven for about 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just enough for the cheese to melt, and the meat to warm up and everything,. Like I said, this is a quick, easy meal. Athletes can do it, professionals, whoever can do it, quick and easy. Now for the best part. Let's take these sliders out of the oven and see how they turned out. Now for the reveal. Like I said, these sliders are perfect for a meal prep. game day snacks, or even just a quick dinner option when you don't have a lot of time. That's something that a lot of student athletes don't have. We don't have a lot of time. So, like I said, they're easy to grab and go, but still filling and packed with flavor. Make sure to add some type of carbs or veggies to this, so you can have that full athlete nutrition. But like I said, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends and family. And let me know what else type of dishes you guys would like to see. Sorry that I sound like this. I sound crappy, so sorry. But if you try these barbecue sliders, let me know how they turned out in the comments below. And I'd love to hear your thoughts and any twists you put on the recipe. Alright, see you next time. Bye!